Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings for this, so once you have it open and visible on the screen, whatever it is that you want to capture, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You get a sound for it and this animation. And once it disappears, you get a couple options. So you have edit, share, delete. You can choose one of those. If you choose to not interact with it, it disappears, and screenshot that you have captured can be simply found in your gallery application. Which I can't seem to find. Oh, there we go, photos. Okay. And as you can see, there is only one thing, a screenshot right here. Now, if you have more than one photo in here, the application will add categories at the bottom, and also you will see folders at that point. So screenshots are always in the screenshot folder. But as you can see, this is the screenshot that I have captured. So this is one way of doing or capturing a screenshot. Another way, a little bit less convenient, I might say, is by holding the power key and selecting it from here. That's the same thing as holding both of those keys, so if you have to hold something, you might as well just hold power key and volume down and skip just single press of the button. But the choice is there if you want to do it this way. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.